guys, Artist here, and today I'm going to be gifting random people. I just thought this was a random idea. I don't know. I was bored and yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, let's choose the first person. How about Kitty Woof 16? Yes, 16. Let's gift you. I like that username, by the way. Let's gift you this vampire mask. Sure, whatever. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm kind of OCD. I really love customized demograms. Yeah, I know I'm weird. So yeah. You're not. It's accepting demograms right now. Oh, how about Mate 13 Shade 3? I don't know. I'm sorry, but I don't know. Let's just give you the same thing. There. Enjoy it. So let's choose another person. Yes. Queen. Smart Panda 180. Yes. He left! I'm still gifting you. That mustache is just amazing. Flower necklace, yes. I love that mustache. That mustache just completed his look. There. Oh, you deserve it. Okay. One more person in this server, and then I'm going to move on to a new one. How about Vyun? I don't know how to spell your name, sorry. Oh, say your name, not spell it. Okay. How about these water wings? I don't know. There you go. Hope you like it. Okay, let's move on to a new one. Okay, I'm in a new server now. Now let's gift Kitty Meows 123. Don't worry, I'll be gifting non-members too, just not like this gifting, trading them. So yeah, sometimes I forget, so I'm sorry if I forget. My memory's kind of bad. Oh, wait, go up. I have two mammoth tusks, so you can have one. There you go. Now, here, let's do a non-member. Pat. Let's hear you. Ugh, you have nothing on your list. Mini Swirl Fan 5566. How about, ooh, that's cool. Let's see. How about I gift you something non-member? This springboard blanket. There you go. Hope you accept. There you go. Let's do another person. How about I try to gift people who don't really have much, because I understand. I'm not rare, so I try to gift people who are not very rare, but I still gift people who are rare. I'm sorry, I'm being confusing. Okay, let's gift you spring flower ones. There you go. Okay, I'm going to do 3 people per server, so let's move on to another one. Another server I am in, so that was kind of weird, sorry. Let's see, how about Reno 2378, I think that's how you spell your name. Here's like a tiki torch. How about I trade you this scary horns? I don't know if that's fair. So I hope you accept. Oh, there we go. Yay, okay, enjoy it. Now let's gift Casserole. Is that how you spell your name? Casserole? That's really cool. Okay, let's gift you this diamond ring that recycles for a lot of gems. So yeah. Okay, one more person for this server. About you, Jammer88YL. You have nothing on your tree list. Wait, he's rarer than he looks. Is he really? Yeah, he's pretty rare. I don't know. How about Wolfie? Wolfie, I don't know. Here, let's give you. How about these DJs? There you go. And then I'm going to do one more server, and then I think that's going to be it for today. I'm sorry, guys. It's a little short. So let's move on to another one. Okay, this is the last server. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot. Comment down below if you got gifted from me. And yeah, I don't know. Let's gift this. I don't know how to spell it. I'm sorry. Ooh, this is cool. Rare wooden hat. How do I gift you something I remember? Ooh, there. Rare spring. I don't know if she's. Yeah, okay. Let's gift you. Mellow Rockula. Ugh. Where is someone? Oh, there we go. Common teachable. I don't know how to say your name. Sorry. Let's just do the same thing on Margunis. Okay, how about let's just do reflection fanfic 3 4. Let's do it. I like that policy travel. How about these Jamalda era? I actually kind of like those. Sorry. Golden Wings. There you go. And then another one. The person. Oh, everyone's also crowded in one area. Can't click anyone. How about Fuzzy Happy Ninja? Did I gift you? I don't think I did. So let's gift you. That's a cool little stamp. I'm kind of OCD. Sorry, guys. Oh, I'm just going to gift this. I kind of want to get rid of this. Okay. Oh my goodness. I think I'm just going to be done with this video because no one is accepting. So, yeah. Well, guys, thank you for watching. And, oh, I am hosting my first giveaway. I am giving away this rare spiked wristband. It's a purple one. And all you have to do to win it is turn on notifications, like this video, and all the other videos. I mean, like this video. And then hit that subscribe button and comment down below your username, or else I won't be able to gift you. So yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.